Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Sucheta. Today I am going to share you how to prepare tatte idli. I will be sharing you perfect measurement so that you can prepare very soft, very easy tatte idli at home only. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with. Now for preparing tatte idli, I am going to prepare the batter. For that I am using idli rice, or we call it as Salem rice also. In this cup, today I am using 2 cups of idli rice. Always take measurement in the same cup so that you will get proper consistency. Now I have taken urad dal. See, in the same cup I have taken half cup of urad dal. Along with urad dal, I am adding half teaspoon of methi. And in the same cup I have taken half cup of thick poha. Once again I will show you the measurement. 2 cups of idli rice or Salem rice, half cup of urad dal and half teaspoon of methi and half cup of thick poha. For preparing tatte idli as next day morning breakfast, previous day only we need to prepare the batter. So it's afternoon, I am going to wash it and I am going to soak this in water, and evening while preparing the batter or while grinding I am going to show you. And now it's evening, I am going to grind the ingredients. First, for mixer jar I am adding soaked urad dal and methi. By adding water I will make a fine paste. Along with urad dal, I am going to add soaked poha, thick poha. Now I am adding little water. Now I will grind this. Now after grinding, I am transferring it to one big bowl. Now I am adding soaked rice. Now I will add little water and I will make fine paste. Now after grinding rice, I am transferring it to same bowl. Now I am going to mix this. You can see the consistency. It's thick only. It's not in watery consistency or not thin. You can see it must be like this. And after mixing it well, I am going to close the plate and I will allow it to ferment for overnight. And tomorrow morning I will show you how to prepare tatte idli easily. See, it's morning, you can see the batter is fermented very well and the quantity is also increased. Now we need to mix it well. If you follow the perfect measurement, you will get restaurant style perfect tatte idli. Now I have taken a tatte idli plates. For that I am greasing it with oil. Now for tatte idli batter I am adding salt. Add salt as per taste. And I am adding salt before preparing, just before preparing the tatte idli. After adding, mix it well. Now I am transferring the prepared tatte idli batter to tatte idli plates. How much thickness you want, you can add that much of batter. After adding, shake it once so that it will spread evenly. Now I am arranging it to 30 idli stands like this. See, I have arranged it like this. Now I will steam cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now water is also boiling. Now I am going to place the stand. Now I close the lid and I will steam cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now you can see after steam cooking 30 idlis, it looks like this. Now I am going to remove this from the stand. And here I have taken one plate and I have water in that. I will place like this so that it will cool easily. Once it is cooled, we can remove it. See, I have placed all the 30 idli stands like this, plates like this. I will allow it to cool for around 5 minutes and then I will show you how to remove this. Now use some water and take one spoon, and once you remove it like this, see, it will come out easily. And see, you can place it on one plate or anything like this. See, you will get 30 idlis very easily and it won't break also. I will show you removing of another one 30 idli. See, I add water like this on the sides and use one small spoon and just remove the sides so that it will come out. See, in home only, as morning breakfast healthy recipe, you can prepare 30 idlis like this and it's very soft. And you can see this plate also, nothing is stick to this plate and you can reuse it. Now you can add next batch of batter and you can prepare next batch of 30 idlis. Now you can see breakfast recipe 30 idli is also ready. You can have it with potato sagu, vegetable sagu or chutney. You can see it's very soft. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.